Hello everyone, I am Vishal Yadav, second year physio student. So now I was going to explain one topic in pharmacology. So my topic was newer drug delivery system (NDDS). So I start with definition. So newer drug delivery system (NDDS) are advanced method used to deliver drug to a specific site in the body safely and effectively. So the main aim was improve drug effectiveness, reduce side effects, and increase patient compliance. Presenting uh, newer drug delivery system which are a modern technique used to deliver medicine more efficiently in the body. So introduction of NDDS. What is NDDS? NDDS refers to modern technologies that control where the drug goes and how fast it is released, how long it remains active. So what was the advantages? So better therapeutic effect and less frequent dosing, reduce toxicity and improve patient comfort. So mainly we can say that instead of releasing all the medicine at once, NDDS delivers it slowly or directly to the target area. Uh, Types of NDDS. So there are some common types of our NDDS. First one is control release system. Second one is sustained release system. Third one is target drug delivery system, and fourth one is transdermal drug delivery system, and last one is nanoparticle drug delivery system. So we can easily say that different systems are used for depending on the disease. It's all are depending on the disease. The site where the medicine is needed. uh, Controlled and sustained release system. Controlled release, like drug released at a predetermined rate. Sustained release, drug released slowly over a long period. Benefit, fewer doses needed, a stable drug level in a blood, better patient compliance. Example like sustained release tablets for hypertension. We can say in a easy one tablet can work for many hours instead of taking several tablets a day. Targeted drug delivery and nanotechnology. So targeted drug delivery was, what is targeted drug delivery? So drug reach a specific organ of tissue, minimize damage of healthy tissues. Nanotechnology. So what is nanotechnology? These are used teeny particles in a body, like improve drug absorption and effectiveness. Examples: cancer chemotherapy using targeted delivery. It worked like a guided missile that deliver medicine directly to the diseased area. Transdermal drug delivery system. What is it? Drug is delivered through the skin using patches. Advantages: painless, easy to use, long lasting effect, avoiding a stomach irritation. Like examples such as nicotine patches, hormone patches, pain relief patches. So these are the examples. Then medicine enters the body through the skin without swallowing tablet or taking injection. So overall conclusion was NDDS, like So NDDS improve drug delivery and effectiveness, reduce side effect and dosing frequency, and include controlled release, targeted delivery, nanoparticles, and transdermal systems. Play an important role in a modern of overall medicine. So thank you everyone. My topic was completed.